Hello everyone, I'm Imran Ahmed, a digital marketing consultant specialized in lead generation and sales growth marketing strategy on behalf of Flier. In this today's video, we will have an overview of marketing and 4 P's of marketing. What is marketing? According to Philip Kotler, the guru of marketing, he described it as it is an art and science of exploring, creating and delivering value to satisfy the need of targeted market is known as marketing. In short, we can say that the process of manufacturing to delivering is known as marketing. If you go to any B school, then you will come to know about the 7 P's of marketing. That is product, price, promotion, people, place, process and physical acquisition. Gone those days of 90s when we think that promotion is the only way of marketing. Now, this 7P decide the success and failure of any product. If you want to implement this 7P, you should know your buyer's journey and buyer's persona. In the future video, we will have a look over what is buyer's journey and buyer's persona. For now, let's stick to 4 P's of the marketing. First, product. What is your product? What pain point your product is solving? What need they are satisfying? These all come under the product part. Second, price. What is the price of your product? Pricing factor depends upon the product costing, your competitor price and budget of your targeted audience. Third, promotion. Suppose that you had created a product that solved the problem of the ex-customer, but how will that ex-customer know that you have the product for them? You have to promote it, whether using print media, digital media, PR or referral. It's up to you. Just you have to create awareness to the ex-customer that you have solution for them. Fourth, place. Place plays a very important role in marketing. You should know where your customers are and you have to be there. Every big company, like BMW, Audi, Samsung, KFC, every company know where their potential customers are and they are there for them. So you have to know where your customers are and you have to be present there. So these were the 4 P's of marketing. We will discuss our remaining P's in the next video. Till then, stay connected.